SSD upgrade on Macbook A1278 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Carla, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Again, upgrading the SSD on a MacBook A1278 is definitely worth it. This model, which originally came with a traditional hard drive, can see significant performance improvements. SSD users often experience faster boot times, quicker application launches, and improved overall system responsiveness. Additionally, upgrading the SSD can breathe new life into an older device, making it more capable of handling modern software demands at PTIT Solutions. We stand by our work with warranties on all repairs, giving you peace of mind whether you need a quick fix or a major upgrade. Our knowledgeable staff is here to help you every step of the way. Experience the difference with PTIT Solutions, where your tech is in good hands. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.